Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basics, now act. Identify the exact developer role you want, because specificity shortens hiring cycles. Next, build 3 focused projects that showcase the languages, frameworks, and APIs employers expect. Push them to GitHub with clear README. Make a concise one-line role summary for your resume and LinkedIn so recruiters know what you offer at a glance. Once done, prioritize gaps. Add a quick course or a tiny project to close them, then move to targeted outreach. With assets ready, you shift into momentum. Apply to about 15 targeted openings each week, but customize one paragraph tying your project experience to the job. Generic applications waste time. Simultaneously, message 5 people weekly: alumni, engineers, recruiters. Ask for 10 minutes of advice or a code review. Prepare star stories for behavioral screens and drill 6 common coding problems, focusing on patterns rather than memorized answers. Make sure to log outcomes so you now convert interviews into offers. Do 3 live mock interviews, 2 with detailed feedback, and rehearse whiteboard explanations aloud so you can teach your code clearly. In interviews, explain trade-offs and why you chose solutions, because hiring managers hire thought process as much as output. When an offer arrives, negotiate for title, scope, and learning opportunities, not just salary. If progress stalls, audit 3 things: resume clarity, GitHub activity recency, and how often you network, then iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.